Hello everyone. Today we're going to be opening up a box. I don't know exactly how to describe this, but I'm just calling this locker that I got this stuff out of the Nazi locker, because this guy was apparently into some really crazy stuff involving Nazis and skinheads and things. So what I'm going to do is I found this one box is labeled Redwings, and we're going to see what's in it. I know that there's Red Wing stuff. I won't lie to you. I did take a look in it first, but I didn't go through everything. I just looked and said, oh, Red Wing stuff. And then I closed it up so I could share it with you. So let's take a look at what we got. Okay, we've got some albums here. All right. Now, if any of you know me, you know I don't know anything about hockey, let alone any other sport. So these will be, I'll have to find out if these are valuable or just interesting little pictures. So here we go. So there's some. Here is one that says Hockey Collectibles Trading Cards. Oh, all right. Trading cards. Yep, sure enough. Trading cards. So that'll be interesting. I don't really want to deal with cards so much because it's a lot of work looking them all up and everything. Oh, there's an interesting odor coming from this box too. Kind of smells like beer. I think we did find some beer can or something in one of these, so this might have been it. This is the Detroit Red Wings. It looks like a Russian guy. Number 13, Pavel Datsyuk. Okay. Pavel. All right. And here we got, some cards. These have not been opened from 1995. Random glove. This is 1979 season leader. Oh, what's it say? Let me see what that says. Sergei Fedorov. All right. Ray Shepard. All right. Come back to that one. This one is. It's a mug, it looks like. Sports collectible. Oh, it's a Stein. Sports Stein. This one looks like another one. Sports Stein. Looks like the same one. Matching set. What do we got here? Oh, well, that's interesting. That's not Red Wings. That's a skull. It's probably a skull. Something like it's a candle, skull candle for some reason. Here is, looks like Plants vs. Zombies or something. It's like a purse? I don't know. It's a National Entertainment Network. All right. Interesting. All right, come back to that box. I'll get some of the easier things first. All right. Here is NHL Zamboni. Ooh, a 1977 limited edition Zamboni. I know what that thing does. Like orthopedic something in there. I don't know. It's a tiny box. There are matches in there, but it's a cigarette thing. Don't smoke, everybody. Not good for you. Alright. Oh, pucks. Sticky pucks. Something sticky spelled in here. Hopefully these things are watertight. Oh, it's too bad. I'll see if I can get the goo off of them. This is from Little Caesars Pizza. Something about Hockey Town. Alright, well, I'm done touching those, so I'll come back to those. If there's any cool enough, I'll let you know. But there's some hockey pucks. Very sticky ones. Why are all the hockey pucks sticky? This is from, Plymouth. Sorry, Plymouth, if anyone watching cares. Alright. Here is, a little guy. Steve Yzerman. Alright. He sounds Russian or something. guy here is a little, oh, it's a bobblehead. Hand painted. It's have a name on it? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. It's Brett Hull. Can't tell you there. It's Brett Hull. Bobbling his head there. Well, here's something. It's in a little plastic case. It's a puck. What's that name on there? Alex Del Vecchio. Alex Del Vecchio. All right. I don't think that's hockey. We'll look at that later. Another puck. Official. 2002 Stanley Cup. What else we got here? What is this thing? It's a Beanie Babies. These are useless. That same guy, Yezerman. There's one inside here, Stanley Cup. They put it in a plastic box, so maybe it's more valuable. Okay, there is. Same guy. He has multiples of them. Oh, it's a bag. Alright, well, there's something in the bag here. Find out. I'll look at it before I show you. Oh, it's a Detroit Red Wings decal. 29 cents. This is the 2002 Stanley Cup patch. Alrighty. This is, oh, that's a magnifying glass. I really wanted to see what's in this box here. So we're going to look at this. I'm going to take a peek at it first before I show you, because this, honestly, this whole locker has been full of crazy surprises. So I don't want to bother editing out. Oh, it looks like maybe it's another bobblehead guy. Oh no, it's now I see why people have so much trouble with this on YouTube. They're trying to hold a camera with one hand while they're opening up packages and stuff. Alright, this is, oh, it's like one of those Russian dolls with a hockey player on it. That's funny. It's probably, oh, there's the same guy, Fedorov. And then there's probably a bunch of other, yeah. And there's other ones in there too, so there you go. Okay, that's kind of neat. Russian dolls, which makes kind of sense. Most of you guys have like Russian names. I'll come back to this. This is kind of sticky and gross in here, so I'm going to come back to that one. Oh, well, this is why it's so sticky and gross. Alright, now this, I did actually see this item before. This is a vintage patch. Houston Arrows. And it's pretty old, you can tell, because it doesn't have a barcode on it. It doesn't have a UPC tag on it, so it must be older. And here's some photos here. This one says Fedorov signing bonus. Well, that's interesting. You know, do you think this bonus could actually be in there? I don't know. Fedorov signing bonus. Maybe just a bunch of cash. Oh, it's a. Well, it's a copy of his check, I guess. He got a signing bonus of $14 million. to Michigan National Bank. That's how old this is. Oh, the 1998. I said Michigan National Bank hasn't been around in a while. They've changed hands a couple times since then. So there's a signing bonus. There's a bunch of $14 million checks made out to this dude. Oh, there's another. Oh, 25,357.33 for this guy. This is Nicholas Lidstrom. And there's another copy of that check. Some more hockey related things. Oh, there's a pin down here. It's kind of. This is for official medallion. Pavel Dot. Oh, what's this guy's name? Dot something. Oh, maybe you know who he is. I don't know. All right. Here's another one. This is John. Can't read his name. John Frazen. And the front of your card. All right, well, I think that's about it for this one here. This is a hockey puck. So his first game worked at the CompuWare Ice Arena in 1999. Gold Judge Ambassador 7 Sting 1. Well, that's interesting. I don't know what that is all about. But okay. So that's everything that's in this one here, other than the grossness at the bottom. And then I'll have more for you. There's lots more boxes. There's the stuff about the racist things. I'll let you know if I'm going to show you that, but it's kind of hard to look at.